We have just heard a little about the history of MEMO and how it is helping people in other areas of the world. Now we want to give you a report of what our dedicated MEMO volunteers have accomplished in the last 2 years. Having assessed some of the expressed needs in the impoverished mountainside of the La Presa community in El Salvador, a MEMO team from Thunder Bay went with supplies and equipment. Joined by local volunteers of the La Presa community, they constructed a handrail up a mountain path which will help to prevent the elderly from falling when carrying loads up and down this steep path during the wet season. As well, we have acquired and shipped 90,000 bowls of dehydrated high-protein soup. This will help provide lunches before free afternoon school for the children of La Presa. These children can't afford bus fare to go to the government school. A 600 square foot steel building was also built halfway up the mountainside to be used as a community center, health clinic, and chapel. MEMO is involved with the Cuban Council of Churches in their program of supporting families caring for seniors at home. In November of 2015, a MEMO team of nurses gave senior care workshops in Havana and Santa Clara. Spring of 2016 saw an ocean container of supplies to help in the caring for seniors at the home. MEMO is also working with the Children's Hospital in Matanzas, providing instruments and sutures for repairing horrible facial defects and giving back life to these special children. Many tourists traveling to Cuba have taken over 400 pounds of life-saving equipment and supplies to local doctors who are frequently hampered in caring for their patients by the lack of medicine and supplies. In the spring of 2015, Thunder Bay paramedic Steve Weeb traveled to El Salvador and trained local people to be ambulance attendants. These trainees now operate the ambulances MEMO donated to the Shalom Clinic and Cecilia's Center. October 2015 saw MEMO shipping a container to the West African Ebola-ravaged country of Liberia. It held a farm tractor and implements to help with the food self-sufficiency program, a generator to provide electricity to a community in which EFCCM missionaries are creating a community development project. The Christian Liberian ELWA Hospital, a hospital for treating Ebola, received from MEMO a $150,000 video endoscopic system for diagnosing gastrointestinal cancers. In the fall of 2015, MEMO sent a team to Cecilia's Community Development Project to convert a MEMO-donated ocean container into a sewing shop and bicycle repair shop. This will help promote employment in this impoverished farming community. As well, MEMO volunteers trained 3 local women to be village doctors in the small medical clinic MEMO equipped at Cecilia's Community Center. In June 2016 saw MEMO volunteers collecting and shipping a container full of equipment and supplies to a 30-bed seniors home and a brand new 4-room medical clinic located in a village where the EFCCM runs an agricultural project in Nicaragua. This past July, a MEMO team visited the Mexican Peninsula to evaluate needs at the 24 Christian Good Samaritan Home for abandoned seniors, the Vincent Guerrero Community Center, and the 18-bed Good Shepherd Hospital in nearby San Quentin, Mexico. As a result of the visit, a 53-foot transport truck full of medical supplies, furniture, incontinence products, and medical instruments was dispatched to Mexico bringing health supplies and hope to the many residents of these facilities. In early October, 80 beds from closed Thunder Bay Homes for the Aged were shipped to needy hospitals in El Salvador. To date, 70 40-foot containers have been sent overseas by MEMO. Amazingly, MEMO has no paid staff and volunteers pay all their own expenses. All this humanitarian work has been done on an annual budget of $60,000 per year. You can be assured that your hard-earned money donated to MEMO goes much further than anyone can possibly imagine to bring health, love, and hope to the sick, the homeless, and the lost. Thank you so much for your past support of MEMO projects.
Keep fighting the good fight. Keep letting your light shine.